Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one only one. Back in the video, yes sir, today. Ooh, today. I got something special for my family members. You know what I'm saying? This one, it's a grill. Even though it came out last year, but this is a grill, bro. Like this shoe, I've been wanting, and I hit it for retail on sneakers. It's one of them things like just get one of your grills for retail. One of your grills for retail, bro. Come on now, come on, bro. You can't sit here and say like it just wants a dream come true. Today we got an in-hand review on our own feet of these Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found, man. Your boy hit on sneakers that, man. Got personal size, like I said, got our own feet, an in-hand review of these joints, man. So make sure you like and subscribe if you're new, or comment down below, man. Let me know hit on the size, or y'all didn't, you know what I'm saying, on sneakers that. But at first when I kept doing it, it won't let me submit my payment. Every time I do it, submit payment. It ain't let me do it. So I'm like, bro, come on now. So it went through, got a size. Woo! And it's still in the box too. Y'all gonna see it right here. First things first. Oh snap! Gotta watch your head a little bit. Here they go, man. Here they go. Told you they still in the box right here. I ain't gonna unbox them or nothing, but here we go. Let's get unboxed out. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Man. Ooh wee. Oh man. Oh. 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 Oh man. Ooh. Oh man. Oh. 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 Y'all see the size? Your boy personal size 11 and a half. But it's 11 and a half even much better. Oh, move a cardboard box to the side. Oh. Ooh. So right here it's a stressed out box. Normally they're doing with these Nike boxes here though. It's a more stressed out OG vibe, so you know what I'm saying, like a distressed type of thing going on. So, like I said, super fire. Got that 11 and a half. Got Nike. Of course, you got the sale tag right there. On the back, right here on the bottom. Now I could just tell about the old, like the stress look, like a vintage type thing. Super fire, super fire. But it says Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Varsity Red Black Seal. Retail price on these was $180. At the tax like $194. I got these babies, man. So we'll get these bad boys out, man. You know what I'm saying? Got your Jordan on there, of course. So back in the day, these joints right here, they was $29.99. First quality leather. That's crazy. Got this here right there, $29.99. First quality leather. That's crazy, bro. $30 now they like $180. So price is very, very different. And by the way, if y'all ain't see that Air movie, that movie's so fire, like super heat. I suggest y'all go see that. Definitely dope. But let's get these bad boys out. Hey, here they go, man. The Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found, baby.
See the diamonds? Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like
AB, got my grills. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna keep smiling in this video. I'm just overall just happy I got these, man. And got that Air Jordan 1 good smell. These things right here, bro. And it's crazy, I'm a Bulls fan too, I'm a Jordan fan. And just to have these, even though it's not the original, like the black and white or the Chicago joints, but somewhere close enough in the Lost and Found, got that cracked leather around the toe box here. But just to have these, bro, just it says a lot. Man, where my toiletry at? They ain't give me that. It's cool. I'll take them on one of my New Balances or something. Make sure my babies is good. You know what I'm saying? They try to do you wrong. They try to do you wrong, but it's all good. I'm gonna treat you right. Let's get the other shoe out here. Signed off and everything, if you can see it. So, like I said, if y'all didn't see the movie Air, Paul was one of the people that, you know what I'm saying. I don't want to say too much about the movie. But make sure y'all go see the movie Air. But here they go, man. These. Hold my grills. I got my babies, man. It's crazy. This one shoe I then was gonna pay resale for, but I was being patient, just waiting. Like, they might do a shock job or they might do a restock somewhere that I might can get my size for retail. And luckily, just being patient. Just, you see how you be patient on something, you know what I'm saying? You gotta have patience in life, for real. You gotta have patience, bro. You never know. And this right here, this is off of patience. Got it for retail. Retail, bro. Resale right now about 500 plus. I got it for retail for 190 after taxes, bro. That's crazy. Patience is, bro. This whole thing gonna be about patience. Be patient. But let's go talk about the shoe, man. So here you got your red outsole. So if you look very, very closely, it's not like an ash to it, but it kind of gets like more like a white ash on the outsole here. On the midsole, you got your white midsole. So the whole upper of the shoe is leather, but the white on the toe box here is like a cracked leather material here. Also on the side panel here where the Nike check is at as well. Of course, you got your black Nike check. You got your Air Jordan Wing logo embroidered. The tongue area, you got your Nike Air stitch. Love that. On the insole, got your white Nike Air inside of the insole. Come with sets of black and white laces. So I'll do the white laces in the video, but black won't be bad on these, but I'm going to stick to the white. On the back of the heel area on top, it's also like a black and gray distressed cracked leather here. Let's get this on feet going, man. Like I said, make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Let's get it, man.
Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own calls, I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is rented, can't handle the cost. A lot on my plate, I just can't take a loss. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the hoe. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, 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 gang.
You will only see some real niggas round me. Gang, gang, GVO, that's the family. I'm making classes for the culture like I'm Spike Lee, but I'm trying to be a legend like I'm Stan Lee.
I'm back from my own feet. These things right here, bro. One of my best shoes to be in my collection, to be completely honest. Like, it's a Grail. I'm glad I got this shoe. I'm glad I got it for retail. Just overall, just happy, bro. And that's like I said, when you get a shoe that you want for retail, bro, you can't go wrong with it. Especially a Grail that you really, 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 really want it. And I know this shoe down the line gonna be over about $600-700 shoe easily. It just right now, the price right now is like at $450, $460. So I tax would be like close to $500. But it don't be no more restocks. Like I heard JD supposed to be doing restock, but ain't no telling what that. It's give or take. You never know really with that. But overall, like I said, it just depends on, you know what I'm saying. If you really, really want this shoe, go ahead and grab it. But like I said, me, I was gonna go ahead and grab it regardless. Either way the case may be, I didn't care. I really wanted this shoe, and I sit here and got it for retail on the sneakers app. So like I said, patience is number one thing. You gotta be patient. You gotta come with shoes, life situations, whatever. Make sure y'all just be patient, whatever it is. Your time gonna come, whatever. The shoes is gonna come. Your time to be great at something is gonna come. You just gotta be patient. It's gonna come. Look, without being patient, I got this. I could think about a lot of scenarios about being patient, but I don't want to get too deep, you know what I'm saying? But the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds, baby, man, I got them, man. This video, I don't even want to go too much in depth about the shoe because, like I said, I already did a video, you know what I'm saying, in depth of the shoe and discussing everything. But make sure you like and subscribe if you're new, man. That's it for this video, man. Like I said, I'm just glad I got the Grail, the shoe, you know what I'm saying? I told you I was going to grab the shoe. I told you I was going to grab my size, personal size too. I thought I was going to pay resale, but me being patient, you know what I'm saying? I got the Grail, you know what I'm saying, my shoe. So be on the lookout how to style and dress these Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. Pretty sure it's 1,000 of them, but ain't no wrong seeing your boy Jared on one point of view, you know what I'm saying? So I got a couple of things in collection, a couple of things in the closet right here, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get these Jones right for sure, man. But follow me on platforms down below. Road to 2K, man. We almost there. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, man. I don't know what giveaway I'm gonna be doing at 2K, but I'm gonna think of something, you know what I'm saying? And plus, well, ain't no other shoes coming out tomorrow. I'm waiting on my Travis Scott's preschool. you know, I didn't hit on the women's. It's preschool. I don't know if y'all want to see a review on that. I don't think I'm gonna do a review. I'll do a couple videos or shorts, but doing a video on them things, nah, I'm just trying to do it. But y'all see me next week, man. I got a surprise for y'all, man. Another step, another journey, man. So big step for me though, for sure too. So overall happy about that as well too, man. But I'll catch you on another video, man. Hope y'all have a blessed Saturday. Y'all be careful out there. If y'all going out tonight, man, y'all be careful, be safe. Much love to y'all, man. Like I said, appreciate y'all showing love since day one, man. For sure. Roll that 2K, man. Let's get to it, man. Catch you on another video, man. Y'all have a blessed one. Joe1 is out. Peace.